RV1, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Thursday. Did you see the Red Sox game last night? Wow, is that incredible? We were losing in the seventh inning, and then bang! They just explode and scored about 10, 11 runs in the seventh inning. Beat Miami 14-6. Good stuff. The Yankees lose, so we gain another game. We now have a 7.5 game lead over the Yankees. I'm liking this a little bit more. Let's stop that slide. David Price, I hope he's going to be okay. He got slammed off the wrist with a line shot. Scary stuff. All right. You know what's not scary? Joanne and Jethro Mills. They are at Ray's New Garden Restaurant tonight in Needham. The fun there for karaoke starts at about 8:30. Now, as we suggested yesterday, the quintessential we, I suggested yesterday that I'm going to be on 4 new radio stations on the Cape. And they are, I'm looking at my list here, Frank FM 93.5, Coffee, which is a great radio station, 98.7, Y101, and Pixie 103. Owned by John Garabedian. John Garabedian's a great guy. I did a show with him once on V66. This was about 32 years ago. And also I get to work with another great guy that I worked with many years ago, Steve McVie. Wonderful people. I'm psyched to start there Tuesday, September 4th. So check me out. All right, enough of the shameless promotion. Let's do weather. First of all, weather forecast is being brought to you by Cape Cod Winery, located at Oxbow Road in East Falmouth. They have some of the most unique wines the Cape has to offer. This is a must-see when you're on the Cape. Call the Cape Cod Winery at 508-457-5592. Online at capecodwinery.com. Weather headline talks about the fact that we have cooler air coming, certainly late today, tonight, and tomorrow, but we start warming it up a little bit on Saturday, then summer comes back Sunday and next week, although I am nervous. If not Sunday, then by Monday we couldn't have a backdoor cool front that we might have to deal with, so it could be in the 90s inland and much cooler at the coast. We'll see how that pans out. But for today, we're talking about a lot of clouds, little sun, scattered showers or storms. Starting off very toasty, 85 to 93. But I'll tell you what, folks, once the wind turns northeast, temperatures will fall into the mid-70s along the coast. So watch out for that. Now, at the beach today, watch out for changing conditions. Boston Harbor, high tide, 2:38 this afternoon. Southwest winds this morning, turning northeast, 10 to 18 miles an hour. Seas 1 to 3 feet. Water temperature still warm. Variable clouds at the beach starting in the 80s, turning much cooler. Watch for a shower or storm. By this afternoon, it'll be falling back into the mid-70s. Then overnight, cloudy, cooler, maybe some scattered showers, low in mid-60s. Here's my 5-day forecast for Boston, starting with tomorrow. Lots of clouds, little sun, cooler. It'll be in low 70s. Saturday, variable clouds near 80, but cooler at the coast. Sunday, partly cloudy, hot and muggy, 87. Monday, partly sunny, hot and steamy, 93. Hot and muggy on Tuesday, but it could be much cooler along the coast if we get into a sea breeze kind of a situation. But I'll tell you what, much of next week is going to be hot and steamy, certainly away from the coast. So there you go. That's my forecast. Thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal.